Mount Vulusan, also known as Vulusan Volcano, is a stratovolcano on the island of Luzon in the Philippines, located in the province of Sorsogon in the Bicol region. It is 70 kilometers southeast of Mayon Volcano and approximately 390 kilometers southeast of Manila. At isa ito sa mga spot na gusto naming puntahan next year kasi I've heard magaganda yung mga scenery doon. La la la. Ito ay napapaligiran ng mga maraming palay, and then mga trees, maraming ding farm sa other area, at sa gitna merong road na it's easy to go there and there in this place. So magandang puntahan ito kasi even hindi ako nakapunta doon. Ngayon tinitingnan ko yung mga scenery doon at ang weather is malamig kasi gusto ko yung malamig na area. Yan, at maraming puno ng coconut. That's it. La la la.